Sweet, sticky, spicy. These honey garlic shrimp are the best way to make anyone's day better. They even come with a secret ingredient that you're not gonna wanna miss. Let's learn how to make hot honey garlic shrimp.
Hey friends, Vince here. Welcome back to my kitchen. A while back I showed you a habanero hot honey recipe that you can drizzle on just about anything, whether it be fried chicken, shrimp, seafood, cheese, you name it. Today, I got a shrimp recipe that utilizes that habanero hot honey and kicks it up a whole nother level. Today we're going to be making hot honey garlic shrimp. So, do you love garlic? Do you love honey? Do you love shrimp? Well, today's your lucky day. Friends, if you haven't already asked that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely supports the channel. Please subscribe, turn notifications on, and let's get started. So if you don't like food that's super spicy, feel free to omit the habaneros and the hot honey. You can definitely use just regular honey for this recipe, but if you're a heat fiend like me, you're gonna wanna stick around. This recipe incorporates plenty of fresh garlic, habanero hot honey, and Asian flavors to give us an amazing, delicious shrimp that you're never gonna forget. So enough with the talking, let's get right into it and get down to cooking. All right, to start I got some extra virgin olive oil and we're just gonna give a light coating on the shrimp. So nothing too crazy, just a splash. Next, we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of regular old soy sauce. Next, we're gonna hit it with a teaspoon of fish sauce. This stuff's strong, feel free to add a little bit more if you like, but a teaspoon's gonna give you the flavor you're looking for. All right, now we're gonna come in with a few tablespoons of our habanero hot honey.
You can absolutely substitute regular honey in this recipe as well, but if you'd like to follow along, I have a link in the description below for you.
And finally, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of fresh ginger, 1 habanero pepper, and plenty of garlic. Now get in there and mix everything on up. Now I still like to come in with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now remember, the soy sauce and the fish sauce has a lot of salt. So go much lighter on the salt than you normally would. And if you're using low sodium soy salt, you can add a little bit more salt here. And now that we got everything in here, we're gonna give it one last final mix. Get everything going along. We got our fresh habanero, our candied habanero. We got plenty of garlic, enough to slaughter a vampire. Ginger for days, soy sauce, fish sauce. So we're gonna pop this in the fridge for anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes, and then it's gonna be time to cook. All right, so we got a cast iron pan scalding hot. We're gonna come in one at a time with our shrimp. So we're gonna sear these on a high heat for about 2 minutes. Okay, y'all, after 2 minutes, we're gonna give these shrimp a flip, and look at that beautiful, beautiful color we got on there. All right, now that we've flipped our shrimp, we're gonna come in with a little bit more of that glaze, a little bit of that marinade. And we're gonna cook this shrimp for just 1 minute more. That's it.
Most importantly, make sure you don't overcrowd your pan with shrimp. Otherwise, you're not going to get that amazing color and caramelization that you're looking for.
Now, once you let your shrimp cook another minute in that beautiful sauce, you're just gonna give it one last flip. Make sure to get everything nice and coated on there. We're gonna turn the heat off. Oh, look at that one. And now if we did this right, the color that we're gonna have on here is enough to make your head spin.
And folks, that's how you make the most delicious hot honey garlic shrimp.
All right, y'all, I'm tired of waiting. It's time to eat. So we got these beautiful hot honey habanero shrimp. They got a beautiful glaze to them. Ooh, they're sticky. For the amount of, the heat kind of sneaks up on you. It's not like that kind of heat that like punches you in the face, you know, and knocks you out, but after you swallow and you're kind of savoring that flavor, you definitely feel it. So, so I'm gonna come in, do a little shrimp and rice. The nice mild, flavor of the white rice really kind of balances out with the intense flavor of the shrimp. And this is great with your favorite vegetables. You can do shrimp and broccoli this way, shrimp and string beans. Anything like that is going to be rock star. So make sure if you try this recipe, drop a comment below. Let me know how it turned out. Let me know if you did something a little bit different. Let me know if you had the courage to use all those habaneros and that hot honey in your honey garlic shrimp. I definitely did, and I'm proud of it. So,
Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.